Hello. In this video, I want to remind you about the 3 things we ask all Maine College of Art and Design faculty to do with their Canvas course sites. First, you will need to go to canvas.meca.edu and press this orange button to log in with your Google @meca.edu username and password. If you're already logged in the browser, it will automatically log you in when you press that orange button. Next, select the course that you wish to modify and click it in your dashboard. You should be brought to your home page of your course site where you will see you need to do some minor edits. First, you can replace this banner with an image of your choice. By clicking the Edit button, you can edit the image and all of the text within this home page. In this text box, just scroll your mouse to the areas where you need to make an adjustment to the text, such as the course description, which should be the official course description that you have on your syllabus. Your faculty introduction, you can follow this model or you're welcome to modify it. We do encourage you to include an image. You can include an image by clicking this image button here, upload image, or if you've already got a course image in the course site, you can enroll that. If this is your first time, just click upload image and pull it up from your hard drive. Make any other adjustments to this homepage that you like, and when you're done, click the Save button to save and publish your homepage. Next, we ask that you upload your syllabus. Find the Syllabus button in your course menu, click that, and you will see an Edit button here. Click Edit. You can enter some helper text for your students. You can copy and paste the entire syllabus into this box, and at minimum, you can click Insert, Document, Upload Document, and upload your syllabus to this Course Syllabus site. When you're done, click Update Syllabus. Just a few quick features I want to point out to you while we're here. We've added a series of templates for you to use and modify as you like under Modules. These are templates for different page layouts as well as an assignment and a discussion board template. You are welcome to copy these and use these to design your own content in your course. I also want to draw your attention to the attendance module. When you have students enrolled in your course site, you will have a list of all of these students in attendance here on the left along with today's date, and you can mark them as present, unmark, or modify that as you see fit. You can also make a seating chart in here if you are interested in that level of depth. You can use announcements to send an automatic email to all of your students. It does go to their meca.edu inbox, so that is a feature that you can use to reach all of your students at once. And of course, when you're all done with your Canvas site, the last step is to publish your course site. To do that, go back to your dashboard and then look for the course site under Unpublished Courses, which will be at the bottom of your dashboard, and then just find the course you need to publish and click this Publish button here for your students to see it. That's all. If you have any other questions or wish to use Canvas in more depth, please reach out to me at amatthews@meca.edu. Thanks.